Anyway, welcome to Underdog Moto Mania. Recording for video number 2 today. Just got done with a quick dirty tutorial for beginners for wheelie as well. Working on my own craft, you know. I'm still a intermediate / beginner. I'm getting closer to be able to hold balance point, but I can still consider myself a beginner, so just some tips to get people started safe. But I'm gonna go out and I think explore near Oatka Road, because I think there might be some more to see out there. Anyway, I just want to get out on the road. And I want to turn off these anti-lock brakes. Flowing air, so good. Woo-wee. And let's talk another thing on these Supermoto wheels. Let's talk about another thing about this bike. And remember, I came from an FZ09, so I knew something about a bike with pull and power and something that was a legit sport bike. But let's talk about this motherfucking bike on Supermoto wheels. Sport bike or enduro, why not both? This bike is so strong, it's ridiculous. Woo. Fading. This bike is so strong, it's ridiculous. Like the acceleration, like I'm going 57 now, 4th gear. Woo, almost 80, like that. So sport bike or supermoto, why not both? This bike is pretty much both. It's like if the DRZ and the FZ09 or MT09 had a baby, this would be the offspring. It's the bastard child of a supermoto and a sport bike. Basically. Oh man. So this bike is strong, man. I want to check out is the dude told me, like, hey, if you like to off-road, like down near Oatka Road, go up Golf Road. And he said something like I'd see something there, but I don't know. I feel like I've been up that road. I don't feel like I've ever seen anything there. So we'll see what's out there. I think nothing is out there, but Oatka Road is pretty anyway. So it's worth checking out just to go up there. Wow. Even at speed, it wants to pull. Oh man. Yeah, this bike's crazy good. Crazy good. Woo-wee. Man, love this bike, guys. Love it. Their driveway was so interesting they had to put a no trespassing sign on it, and it is. Oatka Trail. Try to get that even throttle. And I remember coming down here in the truck thinking like that this road is like way too flat to be this curvy. There's a lot of shadows in the road. Guess it's not bad. Okay, and that's circular. That's the road I gotta go down. So this road is actually a little more dangerous than Kings Highway because your chances for a deer to run in front of you down here are much greater. I mean, look, it's like cutting through the middle of a forest, more or less, like a full forest. And I've seen deer go through here, baby deer, full-grown deer. So I mean, this is a big hazard for animals on this road. But yeah, this road's amazing. And really, it's in reasonably good shape. It's not perfect, but it's reasonably clean. Just head around, find out where that next curve is. I think that's where he got air on the sport bike. Have to be hitting almost triple digits to get air there. Try to wheelie around the curve. Ha! It's so pretty down here. It's like amazing. And people have houses down here, 3-car garages. It's a weird turn. It just feels like both ways it's sloped the wrong way to really dig into it. Not to mention the woods, like I said, the threat of deer is very real. Feels good. Feels good when you lean into a turn a little bit and you throttle out just to get the bike to drift to the outside a bit. Feels good. Okay, so I want to check out Gulf Road real quick, and then we go home. Will Cox or won't Cox? Ooh, get it down before the curve. That was good though. Man, I was finally getting it up to where I want it. Oh man. Lean the fucking bike over, eh? Yeah, so I had been down here before. I was gonna climb up on the rocks, but I guess it's not that necessary. Holy cow. Obviously, that's straight down. Looks like people just continuously, like, yeet trash off this shit. I'd say it's probably a rock quarry. There's a lot of tires down there. Holy cow. Oh, it's a dead end. Well, that's fine. Woody Acres. Okay. Oh, Woody Acres. Maybe look that up. Okay. Oh boy. Look at that bad boy. That's awesome. Oatka Creek. Pretty dry though. It's like what is that guy fishing or catching? Such a dry creek bed, you know? Okay, well, just that curvy spot. Let's hit that curvy spot a couple more times. That was good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Now this part of the road does feel good. It really does. Felt great. Maybe I'm wrong about that road. It is pretty good. Just that little short section. It's almost on par with Kings Highway. Oh yeah. Okay. Oatka Road was a success. Road is slain. Oh yeah. Chasing wheelies for 6 years. Woo! Underdog Moto Mania. Huh. Alright, apparently I lost connection. Hopefully I got the good stuff that I was going all the way down there to get. Jeez. Fuck me. Okay, well, that's woo-wee. That was the fucking weakest wave I've ever seen.
Hi, I'm right now. Look at me, I'm a white guy.
Oh, fuck yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like my content, you like what you've seen so far, you made it this far, well, you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hell yeah, Underdog Moto Mania. More to come, guys, more to come. Like, comment, subscribe, and share my fucking content. Peace out, guys.